guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tesa, or Tesa Marie, or Tesa.ma on Instagram. Make sure you're following me on Instagram. So today I have a very easy look for you guys. Like when I say easy, I'm talking about the most easy 2-second, depending on your way out the door. This is barely a tutorial. Today's gonna be my no foundation makeup routine. I would have said no makeup routine, but that's just not fun, is it? Let's just get started. Please start off with a bare face, and a cleansed bare face is usually the best. I'm gonna start off with my Pond's face moisturizer. Y'all know this is my fave. Excuse the flush. My boyfriend's using the bathroom. And I even like going over my eyebrows with it just because I feel like it's like an eyebrow primer. I don't know if that's really real, but hey. Now, excuse the noise, my boyfriend is using the bathroom.
Hey, it's me guys, the best boyfriend in the world. This is a quick PSA. Do you have a great girlfriend like I do?
You would get
nah.
the mirror for her that she left in the bathroom.
This one?
No, not that mirror. The handheld one. Do you see it? No. The little handheld one. Perfect. You're the best.
You guys see how she's using me for all her little give me this, give me that stuff. You guys see
the heck? Well, give me this, give me that stuff. So now I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl eyeshadow, or LA Girl eyebrow pencil in the color Blackest Black. I'm just gonna go into my eyebrows. Now I normally use black eyeshadow, as you guys have seen me use, and for that I literally just use a black eyeshadow when I want some more definition. But since this is the minimal makeup look today, we're going with just the pencil today. So I'm just gonna move on because I'm not gonna sit here and try to perfect my eyebrows that much because it's not even that important. So the next step, concealing my under eyes. Now again, like I said, it's no foundation, but I am going to use some concealer. So when I'm not using foundation, I'm just going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer and then color Light Ivory. If y'all can tag LA Girl, that would be very much appreciated. LA Girl, sponsor me. I'm going to go in with a little bit under here. And then I'm gonna go in and clean up my eyebrow, just the tattest. I'm just gonna go in with my finger and blend that out. Not even using a beauty blender. Again, like I told you guys, this is really fast. Really simple. I love this formula because it is like on the wetter side, so it does blend out really easily. And you're thinking like, oh my god, that's so much product. It really isn't, because it's super, once you actually use it, you'll see how light it is. And like how it literally just effortlessly blends away. So I'm gonna go in with my banana setting powder, my Real Techniques setting brush. I'm just gonna dust a little bit. Like when I say a little bit, I'm taking the excess from the cap this time. I know normally I bake, but I'm not baking today. So I'm just gonna literally dust some of that over, literally super lightly. I don't want that much, because we don't have that much product on our face to begin with. And like dust over any area that you're shiniest, like right here. An area that I have like imperfections, I'm just gonna like put some powder over just so that it doesn't shine if I do get oily. Now I'm gonna take some medium dramatic lashes, and if you're wondering what medium dramatic lashes look like to me, this is what they look like to me. It seems as though after scouring my entire bathroom and entire existence, it was right in front of my face the whole time. So we're just gonna go ahead, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna just do our eyeliner. So because I have no foundation, I just want to distract from my somewhat imperfect skin. Go in with my Revlon Color Stay eyeliner. That's how you do it like a bad bitch. Next step is eyelashes. Mascara. Just so I have something to grab onto, you know. How do you guys feel about ASMR? Have you guys ever seen any or watched any ASMR? It's funny because I used to watch ASMR way back in the day. Before it was even, well, it was popular, but it wasn't like mainstream popular. Like there wasn't like slime stuff like that, and there was, you know, people just shamelessly watch ASMR. And I think I'm gonna make a new try to make an ASMR video, just because I love ASMR videos. They're so relaxing to me and peaceful. I feel like I always have people yelling at me all day, so it's nice to watch. So I'm gonna start off with an eyelash, and I'm just using my Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive Aloe Glue. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply these. Like I said, I'm applying dramatic lashes because I wanted to distract. So let's just do this with my fingers.
I never really saw you coming until you turned me around.
Okay, and that's how you do that like a bad bitch too. I think what I'm gonna do is just take any excess product that I may have on the brush already and just slightly go over it with like a little matte powder. Yeah, I don't want to darken up my brows too much. So what have you guys been playing a lot recently as far as playlist wise? I remember I did playlists on my Q&A, so if you guys want to hear like my all-time favorite songs of the moment from last month, you can go check out that video. I thought I would just share my recent top songs. So one of them is I just found her, Queen Key. I like her. I like her flow. I like her music. So I've been bumping her nonstop, and if you guys have heard, probably Take Your Man. Another song I like a lot is Believe It by Party Next Door and Rihanna. Love it. Okay. Alright. So now we're gonna go ahead and do lower mascara. There we go. So the last and final step that I'm gonna do, which is optional, you don't have to do this, but I can never go without, is my blush. This color right here, because it has a bit of a shimmer to it too. It's pretty good. So when I wear it like this, I just apply it like regular blush, like kind of go upwards. And yeah, just go ahead and do your regular blush, but I just do, you know, my little blush. Contour my nose, like super lightly. And blend.
I never really saw you coming until you turned me around.
Perfect there. And like I said, I'm just gonna go over my eyebrows, just the tiniest, just to mattify them a little bit and go over those little bald spots that I have. And the final touch is, there you go. All right, pretty much done. Last step is my gloss. You know, you always gotta pull off the gloss with that natural look. One that you guys have already seen, the Belle and Argent in the color, I don't know, but it looks like this. It looks kind of weird, but it's so nice. So yeah, you guys, that's basically it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. Please make sure to go like, comment, and subscribe down below. Let me know what look you guys want to see next and how you guys liked this look. Fairly simple. I really do hope that you guys took some of the advice for this as far as distracting away from being barefaced. But I personally love this look. It's super great and it's awesome to let your skin breathe for a little bit, and especially when you're in a very hot area like it is in Vegas where it's 100 degrees at nighttime, midnight. It's also great. Make sure to check out the next video as well. Go show some love on my last video. Today's shout out goes to Cindy Sands. Go ahead and check her out. She always comments, so make sure to go show her some love. Make sure you also turn on your post notifications and touch that bell down there so you never miss out on any other videos ever again. You get a chance at a shout out, so don't miss out. Yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, always let me know in the comments what you guys want to see next. Engage in our community post. If you guys see my little post, like, just engage with me. I'm always checking out first, so yeah. Make sure you're checking out all the links down below. Like I said, those are all, like, anything that I use in the videos or anything at all, like, I always have links to everything before you guys even ask the questions, so make sure you check that first. If you guys have any other questions, make sure you just leave it in the comments and I'll reply. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Be safe, wear your masks, wash your hands, and I'll see you guys next time. Mwah, bye!